guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video I want to show you how you can make extra money in Kenya. And the good thing is, immediately you join, you will get 250 Kenya shillings as a registration bonus. So why not join and make some extra cash on this site? So I'm gonna show you all the steps that you need to know before you register, so that when you are registering you get easy time registering. For me, the required task on a daily basis and check in daily to get more rewards. So I'm going to take you through step by step. I'm going to start with the registration process, so stay tuned, watch until the end. If you're watching this video, this is the first time you're watching my video or you've come across my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel, then turn on the notification bell to get more notifications on any video I'll upload in future. In future. And again, like the video. You can also share with your friends who also wish to make money online. So let's go, guys. So the first thing, you need the link. I'm going to put the link on the comment section of this video. You get it, guys. And also we have our WhatsApp group there. You can join if you want. I'm gonna put the website link or the app link on the comment section, not description, but on the comment section. I hope that is clear. So let me take you through registration process. So when you first tap on the link, this is the page that will appear on your screen. Now right here we have whereby you'll be requested to put your phone number. You'll be requested to put your phone number, guys, right here. That is Kenyan phone number. Yeah, this works only in Kenya. Then you set your password. Yep, guys, I'm so sorry. My baby girl is playing. Just mind me. Don't mind her, okay? I'm sorry about that. So the next thing is you're gonna reset your password. You're gonna reset your password here. Then just leave this part the way it is. Just leave it the way it is, okay? Leave this part here the way it is. Then click on registration button right down here. Then you'll be good to go. It will take you direct to your page or your dashboard, whereby you will be able to see your registration bonus, that is 250. And the good thing is, when you register, they give you the free 250 Kenya shillings, and you will be able to withdraw it together with your earnings. I hope that is clear. Okay, so let's go back to my dashboard and show you what you're supposed to do, or the remaining steps. So guys, I've logged into my dashboard, so you can see this is the new account, just to show you how everything is done. Okay, so you can see, you will be able to see Kenya shillings 250 in your account, new account. Okay, so you can see it up here. It's written cumulative income, of which you'll be able to withdraw it. Up here you can see the recharge button, withdraw button, and also records, whereby you'll be able to see the records of all activities that you are able to do on the app. Okay, so I'm gonna explain how recharge works. This is how recharge works. So if you tap on the recharge, you'll be able to indicate amount you can start your investment with. Of course, the minimal amount you can start with is 500 Kenya shillings. That is something that many people can afford. So you can start with 500 or up to 200 thousand Kenya shillings. So you can go with the amount that you are comfortable with. You can see we have different amounts. Let me show you. In here we have this 500, we have 1000, we have 2500, we have 5000, so on and so forth. So guys, just go with what you're comfortable with. So what you're gonna do is just come here, put the amount you want, or you can even just tap on any amount. If it is this, you type this. Then after that, you're gonna click on this this deposit bank. Of course, I know it's gonna be M-Pesa. So if you click on deposit, it will take you to where you are supposed to deposit. Then you can see you have to confirm up here. You could let us read the instructions written down here, these ones. Okay, so the minimum deposit amount is 500 Kenya shillings. Funds below this minimum will not be credited. So if you credit your account with below 500, it won't show, like it won't be credited into your account. So that is clear. The transfer amount must match the order you created, otherwise the funds will not be credited. Okay, so the wallet account you entered must match your actual payment wallet. Okay, so if it is M-Pesa, let it be M-Pesa. If it is bank, let it be bank. So if you deposit with bank, that is what you will use to withdraw. If you like the same thing, you'll use. Okay, so they are at the same time. Yeah, I think that is clear. So please create a new deposit order for each payment and specify the recipient account. Do not save the recipient account. After transfer is successful, please upload your payment receipt and wait about 20 to 30 minutes. If your funds have not been credited for an extended period of time, please contact our online customer care for help. I think that is so clear. So if it is delayed, you can tap on a payment delay. Mommy, I'm making too much noise. You can click on here. This girl likes saying. So guys, I'm sorry about that. So you're gonna click on confirm. Okay, so if you click on confirm, let me show you. So you can see here, guys, you can see here it's in like order ends in minutes, 29 minutes and some seconds. You can see that up there. Then we also have, you can make payment through M-Pesa or Airtel. Okay, so that is here, that is what I'm reading. So you can make M-Pesa or Airtel. This is for Kenyans. Then after that, okay, this is how you're gonna do it. You're gonna copy this number here. Okay, you're gonna copy the number, then send the amount you want to send. If it is 500, copy the number, then send it through M-Pesa or Airtel, anyone you're going to use. Then after that, come here with your M-Pesa message or Airtel money message, then put it here, copy it, copy the message sent, then copy it here of the money transferred, of sent money. Copy it here, then put it here in this space right here. You just copy there, you long press, then you paste. Okay, then you'll be able to click on the submit for verification. Okay, it's so simple. That is what you should be doing when sorry mama, when depositing. Okay, I think that is understood. So when it comes to withdrawal, you can see right here, you'll be able to withdraw. The amount you have will be indicated up here. Then you will choose the account you have to add. Like for example, if you want to use you can select M-Pesa or Airtel money. Okay, so if this time I'm gonna choose M-Pesa, then confirm. So you indicate the number. If it is 07 blah 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 blah, that is the number you're gonna use to receive or to withdraw. Then that will be that. Then after that, you're gonna click on confirm down here. Mommy, come on, you're spoiling everything, mama. Then guys, I'm so sorry, mama, stop. Then you click on confirm. So guys, something that I was forgetting, you're supposed to choose the method you're gonna receive the money with. Then here you have to put your name as written on that line, like identification card, or you can take the surname, first name as surname. Then here is where you're gonna put the M-Pesa number. Okay, I hope that is clear. Then you click on confirm, as simple as that. I hope I'm audible enough because my baby is really making noise, and I'm so sorry about that. Yeah, you know, she's making too much noise. I know, you just have to bear with me, guys. So after adding up your account, once it has been added, you'll see somewhere here where you'll be able to choose the amount you want to withdraw. For example, if it is, let us see. Okay, what I have in my account is 250. So if you are to withdraw, okay, the minimal amount is 500 that you can withdraw, okay guys. So you withdraw even the 250 you have been given. So the 500, let us say, if you're withdrawing 500, they will deduct 25% as transaction fee. So you can see you will be receiving 375. Then you will be clicking on confirm. You can see minimum withdrawal amount is 500 Kenya shillings. Withdrawal fee is also 25%. Then you will receive withdrawal within 24 hours, of which I know won't take more than even 2 hours. Okay, so to protect the interest of the platform and its member, you must own at least one device. So you are not supposed to create multiple accounts. Only one account is allowed. Okay guys, I hope that is understood. So let me tell you how you're gonna make money from it. So this is number one way of making money on this platform. You're gonna check in on a daily basis. You can see check in daily to get rewards, and again the rewards are withdrawable. You can also see about us. You can read more to get clear information about the website or the app. Then regulations, then we have records and customer care. So in case you want any help or you have any problem, you can talk to customer service for help. Then download the app here. This is where you're supposed to download the app, guys. This is where you're supposed to download the app. Then here is where you can bind your account, or that other place I showed you. Then you can also change your password here and redeem gift here. Okay, and make sure you join their social media channels. So you can see down here we have like home, then we have product, then we have team, and we have mine. So if all these are available under mine here. So if you want to see the people, you can also refer people, or like you can also like invite your friends to join you to make more income, or and products. So let us see what products they have apart from checking in. So if after recharging your account, after depositing the amount that you are comfortable with, you're gonna click on product down here and click on buy now. Okay, so if you click on buy now, you will be able to purchase the product, and every product has its own price and daily income and total income, okay, and number of days. So the first one, which is 500, you will buy the product with the 500. It lasts for 50 days. Daily income is 150. Then the total income is 7,500. So you wanna click on confirm. If you're comfortable with product, you're gonna confirm to purchase it, or if you are not, you cancel. We also have the second, or B, which is 1,000. You're gonna click on buy. Just the same process. All you can apply the same procedure to all of them in any package that you want to buy. Hey mama, you're so noisy today. Why? Sorry guys, this girl is so stubborn. So another way, you can also invite members. You just share with them your registration link like that, and also you can copy your code, then share with them. You will earn 35% of what they have. Also in level 2 you're gonna earn 3%, then level 3 you're gonna earn 2%. So that is that. I think everything is clear. In case you have any question, comment down below. And this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry my baby has made too much noise in this video, but I had to go ahead. So that is that, guys. See you in the next video. Subscribe.